Small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, remain the backbone of Thailand's economy. Nowadays, diversified industries and services are offered to promote the sustainable development of SMEs. To bridge these challenges, a survey has been prepared to collect the data from SMEs. The results reveal that Industry 4.0 is an important concept to improve the sustainable business performance of SMEs. It can overcome the barriers faced by SMEs with traditional technologies such as hardware and software. Through the analysis of the data, the findings reveals that Industry 4.0 can effectively promote the information technology, IT, implementation among SMEs.
This article is titled, Industry 4.0, a solution towards technology challenges of sustainable business performance, and was authored by Muhammad Haseeb, Hafezali, Iqbal, Hussain, Beata, Ślusarczyk, and Kittisak, Jermsittiparsert.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.